Planning to explore Sofia, but don't want to be weighed down by your luggage all day? RadicalStorage offers a fast and secure way to store your bags while you roam the city. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to deposit your luggage at a RadicalStorage point in Sofia using their trusted platform with safe, insured storage options. RadicalStorage partners with local businesses such as hotels, shops, and cafes, ensuring that your luggage is securely stored and insured while you explore Sofia. While searching for RadicalStorage online, be cautious of phishing websites. To stay secure, just use the official link in the video description to access the RadicalStorage website. Once you're on the site, simply enter Sofia in the search bar to find a list of available luggage storage points across the city. Choose a location that best suits your plans, whether it's near popular tourist attractions, transportation hubs, or Sofia's city center. After selecting the most convenient storage spot, choose your desired drop-off and pickup times, then proceed to secure payment. RadicalStorage ensures that all online transactions are protected, giving you peace of mind when booking. Once the booking is confirmed, you will receive a reference number and directions to your selected luggage storage point. When you arrive, show the reference number to the staff, and they will securely store your luggage. That's it. You can now enjoy exploring Sofia without being burdened by your bags, knowing that your belongings are safe with RadicalStorage. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.